What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly pack your ice chest cooler. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor and go ahead and click the subscribe and the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright, so for today we're going to be using the Pelican Elite 50 quart cooler as our example. If you guys didn't already see my review video on this, go ahead and check that out. I'm also going to put a special link down in the description if you guys want to purchase the Pelican. It has a free gift, a free tumbler with that, so go ahead and check that out. But the first thing you're going to want to do with your cooler is go ahead and get it out of the garage, get it out of storage, bring it inside your house at least a good 12 to 24 hours before you're going to use it, and let it cool down. Even throw a bag of ice in there or some ice in there so to really chill the insulation, so really make the ice last. Alright, so first thing we're going to want to do is put a good layer of ice. Put a nice layer of ice down first. Now regular ice is going to chill your stuff and your cooler down faster, but block ice will be better if you need for long-term storage, like 5 days, 7 days. So then we're going to want to put our meat. Got some hot dogs, some lunch meat, cheese. We're going to want to put all the stuff we want most cold at the bottom. Then we'll go ahead and put another layer of ice. So you're just going to want to put layers of ice in between each thing. I'll put some burger patties down there. Then we'll go ahead and put all of our drinks, soda pops and beers. Now it is a good idea to freeze your items or at least chill them in the fridge before, so the ice doesn't have to cool them down from room temperature. Put another layer. Put our fries down, and then I like to put my bread in too. One last layer of ice. And I got this dry basket, which is great for fruit, vegetables, some condiments, anything we don't really want wet or want to get too easy. Then we're going to want to fill any leftover space we have with ice. It's best to use a 2-to-1 ice ratio of twice as much ice to food. And also, don't drain the liquid when your ice melts. It'll actually keep the contents cooler longer if you leave the water. Alright guys, and that is how to properly pack your cooler. So if you guys are in the market for a new cooler, I'd definitely check out Pelican, and I'll put that special link with the gift down in the description. Alright guys, thanks for watching Johnny DIY. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell. Keep on doing it yourself guys. Take care.